Pull it on up. Bring it on up. Just pull it up some more. Yeah, just throw the hazard. Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
Yeah, just pull it on up and block it. You can throw the hazards on. You good? Well. Okay. All right. Y'all see what it say. Texas.
It's like the CVO when you started.
Yeah, you press. You can turn it off and on over here.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
You need to do that.
All right.
There.
Okay. I think I got the estimate in my phone and stuff. So.
Okay. And those. These are. You just tell me what you want to do. These are new.
Okay.
Those are new. Those are Hertz.
Okay, these are the Hertz, but do they have the tweeter on them, or are they just the mid-range?
I think it has a tweeter in it.
Because this one, let me see something. Torch on. Okay, yes, the tweeter. This the yeah, I see what this is. Yeah, nice wheels though. Yeah, because I was planning on using the diamond stuff up here with the horn in it, but
You tell me.
I'm gonna turn it on and find out what it do.
Yeah.
And then if it don't do what it do, well, I'm gonna make it do what it do.
Man, I know what you do. So
Okay.
I need to get my butt down there.
Yeah.
When you have it right there.
Okay.
And even if you go to that other tree, I want to hear my bike.
Okay.
Down there.
I will get you to walk back for sure.
I know you can do it, and that's why I brought it all the way here, bro.
Okay. Well, I appreciate you bringing me your baby. I will take care of it. It's like my own. My bike's in the shop. I have it here for you to hear. But I've been I just threw it in last weekend to get a cam installed. I mean, say that, y'all. But to get some upgrades and get ready for this freeway for this year, because I plan on doing some more yonder trips, as Sale be saying.
Yeah.
And so I'm gonna get it in on the ramp and review all my notes, and we'll get moving on you tonight.
That's what I'm gonna do too, man. This is the first little round of getting out.
But you saying you finna make the motor to some extreme stuff? You gonna still get out there with that?
It's still gonna be rideable.
Still gonna be rideable?
Yeah.
Okay.
The only reason we haven't done it yet, we're waiting on the Thunder mat.
Oh.
Come with the mat.
Okay.
I mean, I got everything and just sitting on the shelf. We just waiting on it.
Oh, okay. Man, what kind of floorboards are we looking at here?
Oh, these are Harley.
Oh, okay.
In-game.
In-game.
Everything is in-game.
Oh, okay. Because Arlenette's got something similar to this, but not quite this. And the wheels, you mind me asking?
Them Prodigies.
Prodigies.
And that's a replica of Prodigy right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you're saying replica of Prodigy, so that's
the same wheel.
That's the Harley Davidson wheel? Oh, and you made the bigger
Prodigy,
20.
And I just did a 23.
Who'd you go through to get that done?
The guy in Oklahoma.
Oh, okay. So he got a machine cut them for you?
Yep.
Reasonable price?
I think they were like maybe 1,300.
Okay.
So he cool.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. And you was able to use the rotor from the other wheel? Or you had? Oh, he had to. Because I'm looking at.
Them Lindells.
Yeah, I'm looking at this. I'm like, okay. Okay, they kind of go. They kind of go in sync with the rim, though.
So it goes with the hook. So you kind of like twist it with the rim.
Yeah. So because it's got the it's going it's in there. That's made me ask that question. I'm like, yeah. Well, like I said, a lot of people pay the cost to be the boss.
Yes, sir.
If you want to stand out, you can't be. You got to do what it do.
Yes,
I didn't buy a Vivid Black one so I look like everybody else. I put mine on Snow White. Some people call it Casper. Various names.
Yeah, just like you. Like I did the same thing. I took the bike and did my own.
Yeah.
Only thing I did was that, and then what you seen in the bag.
Yeah.
And it kind of like off of the Harley. They had that going here.
Yeah.
I just took mine and went straight back.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it wraps around on the back of it. So
Okay.
it's like that.
Yeah.
And then I got a couple of other things that we're gonna do.
Okay.
When the motor's on there, and that's
Yeah.
about it.
Okay. You gonna keep the dual exhaust, or you gonna go in the 2 and the 1?
No, I'm gonna keep the dual, man.
Okay.
Where I'm from, we do the dual.
We do the dual. Okay. Over here we do the dual, but we also do it with the fall seat. You know,
Yeah,
dummy on
the
one
dummy.
side, because the bag will already have the cut in already. So you
Yeah.
might, something got to be over there to do it that
And I
way.
already bought the Advent Black back fender for the CVO smoked out, so I
Uh-huh.
had
Oh,
that.
so you have it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only reason why I haven't put that on there too.
Oh,
So,
okay.
man, everything's just waiting on you to finish.
Okay.
When you finish, then we'll finish.
Okay. Like I tell people, you know, bring me pieces of puzzle, I put it together, and then you finish it up.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, man, if you need anything, keys here,
Mm-hmm.
in here, so
Okay.
it's already been flashed.
Uh-huh.
So whatever you do, bro.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you work.
Okay.
Your magic,
I'm
man.
gonna work my magic, my man.
Do your
We
thing.
got it. Enjoy your vacation.
Just remember where I need to hear it from.
Okay. Get you to the
I'm gonna
corner.
run with you because I haven't seen anybody do that yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna run down there with you.
Okay. We got you. All right.
Hey, Rob.
Yes, sir.
And it's a nick on the front fender, man. Don't worry about it. My guy did it, so you don't have to think, hey,
Okay.
what happened? We already know.
Okay. We already know about it. Okay. All right.